The best things happens to your body when you drink Moringa every day. Moringa is one of the most powerful plants on earth, since it is a rich source of many essential minerals and vitamins, like iron, magnesium, calcium, potassium, vitamins A, B1, B2, B3, C, folate, zinc, and numerous important nutrients. Moringa has 25 times the iron content of spinach, 17 times the calcium than milk, and 10 times the beta-carotene than carrots. Moreover, the leaves are abundant in potassium, iron, zinc, vitamins B and C. Therefore, this amazing plant can help you boost your health in countless ways. Here are the health benefits of its leaves. Liver protection. The leaves of this plant are rich in phytochemicals like catechins, epicatechins and ferulic acid, which boost the liver function and prevent liver damage. Improved kidney function. This plant is a powerful detox and diuretic agent, which prevents infections and cleanses the urinary tract. It improves the function of the kidneys and eliminates the calcium deposits, preventing the formation of kidney stones. Digestive problems. They are high in fiber and isothiocyanates, so they treat digestive issues, and help digestion in a natural way. Diabetes. These leaves regulate blood glucose levels and prevent diabetes, according to studies. Prevention of neurological problems. The Moringa leaves boost the production of dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine, which support brain health, and prevent Alzheimer's disease.